gonna just from here on out do a voiceover because this is not working. Hello. So today's video, Ariel and I are gonna be doing homeschool together.
Yeah, because we are two teachers.
We're both teachers.
Yeah, and the mama brought a new baby here.
Oh, this is the baby that we're teaching. But we, in all seriousness, we've decided that Ariel is going to be homeschooled this year.
Because that means we are going to decorate.
Yes, so we are today decorating our classroom space.
Yeah,
So
and actually we are not going to do that.
we aren't going to do that.
Yes, we are, but later, it's Sunday later.
Oh, so today's Friday, and on Sunday is our last day before school starts on Monday.
Yeah, so it's Sunday.
On Monday we start school. So this is just our front room. I have it decorated this seasonally.
Yeah, we didn't decorate today, but we are decorating.
We're gonna decorate. So this is our front room.
Yeah, so it's the
That's right. Hey, let's play a game. Let's be. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna just from here on out do a voiceover because this is not working. I'm excited to take you along as we transform my entryway into a classroom for Ariel. 2020 has been, without a doubt, a crazy year, and I'm sure there's so many other moms and families out there who are either homeschooling or doing distance learning from home, and just we're not expecting to have to find a classroom space within their home. I know for me, I don't have a separate room that we could make a dedicated office or classroom, but we did have a corner, and sometimes that's all you need is a small corner to make a special space for your little learner at home. So the first thing that you see us doing is putting together a storage unit. It's this 10-drawer storage that I got from Michael's. It was heavily discounted, and it's going to be great to put all of our supplies, different crafts, different learning activities in, and organized in a nice fashion. I also like that it's on wheels, so you can easily move it around. If I need to transform this space again, I can put that right in our guest room or wherever it needs to go to be out of the way. The next thing I'm doing is just taking care of the floors. Once we were building that unit, there was a bunch of styrofoam pieces, and just overall floors needed to be swept. So that's what I'm doing now. And next I'm taking off our sprinkles. These are just vinyl sprinkles that went with my summer theme of ice cream. And some of them are really easy to take off, some of them are breaking, but they are off. And the ones on the wall are a lot easier to remove. I'm trying to salvage as many of them as I can so I can reuse them next year. And here's my walls without any decor. Goodbye ice creams. And now we are going to put up some pencils. This pencil banner is from Michael's. Everything that I got for this classroom was very budget friendly. It was either from Michael's or the Dollar Tree. These little borders with the ABCs all over them are really cute, little extra detail that I'm adding to this wall. And I thought for this space, a calendar would be perfect. This calendar is colorful, so it's kind of like a piece of art, but it's definitely a learning tool as well, as we are going to be learning the days of the week and the months, and you can even use this to learn numbers. So it's just a good thing to have in our classroom. Next, I'm taking these clipboards that I got from the Dollar Tree, and putting them on my wall so that we can hang up any of our artwork or special things that we do during that day, have them hanging nice and proud up on that wall. And then I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $4 because they were 90% off clearance. And I just thought they would be cute pillows to put down and sit on. And Ariel actually picked out this pattern. And it goes really nicely with our colorful rainbow space. So here's just a brief overview of what we got going so far. Here's a close-up of those borders that have the ABCs all over. And I love the black chalkboard first day of school sign that I'm about to show you right here. This is from Michael's, and what is really cute, it has all the personal details to put on it. And on the other side, it's the last day of school, so you can compare throughout the year how the year starts and how the year ends. And then the leftover pencils from the banner I used on my table, and I kept the sprinkles there because the pop of color was fun. And I love to decorate my floor, so you see some pencils on the floor there. Over here, I still need to put our table and maybe a few other things. Here's a look of the classroom with the table. We've had this set up for a few weeks now, and Ariel is loving being homeschooled. We're having so much fun and definitely doing some learning along the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.